using the driving support systems. 261. When constant speed control mode is selected, your vehicle will maintain a set speed without controlling the vehicle-to-vehicle distance. Select this mode only when vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode does not function correctly due to a dirty radar, etc. With the cruise control off, press and hold the on-off button for 1.5 seconds or more. Immediately after the on-off button is pressed, the dynamic radar cruise control indicator will come on. Afterwards, it switches to the cruise control indicator. Switching to constant speed control mode is only possible when operating the lever with the cruise control off. Accelerate or decelerate, with accelerator pedal operation, to the desired vehicle speed at or above approximately 20 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, and push the lever down to set the speed. Cruise control set indicator will come on. The vehicle speed at the moment the lever is released becomes the set speed. Adjusting the speed setting, 258. Canceling and resuming the speed setting, 260. 262-5. Using the driving support systems. Dynamic radar cruise control can be set when the shift position is in D. Depending on the control mode, this item can be set at the following speeds. Vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode, approximately 20 miles per hour km/h or more. Constant speed control mode, approximately 20 miles per hour km/h or more. Accelerating after setting the vehicle speed. The vehicle can accelerate by operating the accelerator pedal. After accelerating, the set speed resumes. However, during vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode, the vehicle speed may decrease below the set speed in order to maintain the distance to the preceding vehicle. Automatic cancellation of vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode. Vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode is automatically cancelled in the fall-lowing situations. Actual vehicle speed falls below approximately 16 miles per hour km/h. VSC is activated. Track is activated for a period of time. When the VSC or track system is turned off, the sensor cannot detect correctly because it is covered in some way. Pre-collision braking is activated. If vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode is automatically cancelled for any reasons other than the above, there may be a malfunction in the system. Contact your Toyota dealer. Automatic cancellation of constant speed control mode. Constant speed control mode is automatically cancelled in the following situations. Actual vehicle speed is more than approximately 10 miles per hour km/h, below the set vehicle speed. Actual vehicle speed falls below approximately 20 miles per hour km/h. VSC is activated. Track is activated for a period of time. When the VSC or track system is turned off, pre-collision braking is activated. If constant speed control mode is automatically cancelled for any reasons other than the above, there may be a malfunction in the system. Contact your Toyota dealer. Brake operation. A brake operation sound may be heard and the brake pedal response may change, but these are not malfunctions. 5-5. Using the driving support systems. 263. Warning messages and buzzers for dynamic radar cruise control. Warning messages and buzzers are used to indicate a system malfunction or to inform the driver of the need for caution while driving. If a warning message is shown on the multi-information display, read the message and follow the instructions. 224-426. When the sensor may not be correctly detecting the vehicle ahead. In the case of the following and depending on the conditions, operate the brake pedal when deceleration of the system is insufficient or operate the accelerator pedal when acceleration is required. As the sensor may not be able to correctly detect these types of vehicles, the approach warning 260 may not be activated. Vehicles that cut in suddenly. Vehicles traveling at low speeds. Vehicles that are not moving in the same lane. Vehicles with small rear ends, trailers with no load on board, etc. Motorcycles traveling in the same lane. When water or snow thrown up by the surrounding vehicles hinders the detecting of the sensor. When your vehicle is pointing upwards caused by a heavy load in the luggage compartment, etc. Preceding vehicle has an extremely high ground clearance. 264-5. Using the driving support systems. Conditions under which the vehicle-to-vehicle distance control mode may not function correctly. In the case of the following conditions, operate the brake pedal or accelerator pedal, depending on the situation, as necessary. As the sensor may not be able to correctly detect vehicles ahead, the system may not operate properly. When the road curves or when the lanes are narrow. When steering wheel operation or your position in the lane is unstable. When the vehicle ahead of you decelerates suddenly. When driving on a road surrounded by a structure, such as in a tunnel or on a bridge. While the vehicle speed is decreasing to the set speed after the vehicle accelerates by depressing the accelerator pedal. 5-5. Using the driving support systems. 265. Front corner sensors, front center sensors, rear corner sensors, rear center sensors. 266-5. Using the driving support systems. On activate/OFF deactivate can be changed by the for the multi-information display 117. Press either or on the meter control switches 118 and select. Each press of the meter control switches changes on and off. When on is selected, the intuitive parking assist indicator turns on. 5-5. Using the driving support systems. 267. When the sensors detect an obstacle, the following displays inform the driver of the position and distance to the obstacle. Front corner sensor operation, front center sensor operation, rear corner sensor operation, rear center sensor operation.